most fundamental ways of working with the metronome is to do progressively faster metronome speeds. So you find a speed at which you can play that passage absolutely faithfully and then work up one notch at a time. Why one notch? Because you won't even notice the difference. Now, I would never suggest trying to get a whole piece up to speed by going one notch at a time, playing through the whole piece and putting another notch. But when you have just a few measures like this, it's an ideal opportunity to do metronome speeds. The key is make sure you don't raise that metronome at all until you have absolute security. That's the important thing. Now, you may first think it's going to take you forever, but spend the time at the front end to get it absolutely secure. You may have to go hands separately at first and take a much slower speed than you even think necessary. But don't even think about doing metronome speeds until you can play it 10 times in a row, not only where it's perfect, but it feels comfortable.